In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this DISM command stuck on 62.3%. So what we're going to do is just close out of the command prompt window, head over to the start menu and search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and select Run as Administrator. Now in this window, we need to type in net space start space bits and hit enter. Then type in net space start space DOSVC and hit enter. Then type in net space start space USOSVC and hit enter. Then type in net space start space trusted installer and then hit enter. And then type in net space start space WUA user V and hit enter. Now once you've entered all of these commands, you can then run the cleanup image command again, and that should have now solved your issue. If it's still not working, you can also try pressing the escape key twice on your keyboard, and that's another way to solve this issue. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.